Hey guys, my name's Jackson and today we're cleaning a full fast car at my work. Today I'm gonna show you the right way to clean a G Wagon. First we gotta put some soapy water in our bucket. Second, we need water. First, we're gonna do the dirtiest part, the wheels. Make sure you get the rims and don't miss any spots. Now, we rinse all the dirt away. Now we do that 3 more times. Before we soap her up, we're gonna get as much stir as we can. Get as much dirt we can, so when we scrub it, we don't get to scratch the paint. Let's go! Now we're gonna go soaping. And time to get clean blood and screw. If you can't reach, just ask your parent. That was so satisfying, right, guys? Oh my god. Oh my god. Time to clean this one. Start at the top and work your way down. The dryer. I'm using a leaf blower. And my dad's using a towel, right? Yeah, let's go. Are you ready? Now you do the top parts and I do the bottom parts.
I think I can help you with that. You think it might be a little bit too heavy for you?
Yeah.
Alright.
I wish you had a little bit of one. What you need again? Clean towel. And that's how you clean a G Wagon. Peace. Like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah.